Hello everyone, welcome to your Math Mentor. Today we are going to solve another fantastic Math Olympiad question. The question is 8 to the power x plus 2 to the power x equals to 130. Then find the value of x. Here the problem is 8 to the power x plus 2 to the power x equals to 130. Now 8 can be written as 2 cube. Therefore we can be write 2 to the power 3 whole to the power x. Now we know a to the power m whole to the power n can be written as a to the power m into n. This also can be written as a to the power n whole to the power m. Clear? So we can write 2 to the power x whole to the power 3 using this in this formula. The rest of the equation write as it is. So this now 2 to the power x whole to the power 3 plus 2 to the power x equals to 130. The equation becomes like this. Let us take 2 to the power x equals to y. Now the equation can be write as y to the power 3 plus y equals to 130. This can be written as y cube plus y minus 130 equals to 0. Now when we solve this cubic equation, we have to factorize 130. Now 130 can be written as 26 into 5. Okay, but here the middle term factor y, the coefficient of y is 1, so we cannot elaborate this 1 as a 26 into 5 in the term. So y1 can be written as 26 minus 25. Okay, now here y cube plus 1, the coefficient of y is 1, so 1 can be written as 26 minus 25 into y minus 130 equals to 0. That imply y cube plus 26y minus 25y minus 130 equals to 0. If we take y as a common, so now here 25, at first we write minus 25y plus then write 26y, okay, minus 130. So after taking y as a common, here y square minus 25 left, and here we taking 26 as a common, y minus 25, 26 into 5, so 130 minus 5. Okay, now y into this can be written as y plus 5 into y minus 5. As we know, a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so after taking y minus 5 common, we see that the first part have y into y plus 5 and the second part left 26. Okay, now this can be written as y minus 5 into here y square plus 5y plus 26 equals to 0. Now the cubic form now expressed as the two factor One factor is y minus 5 and another is y square plus 5y plus 26 equals to 0. So therefore here we can write either y minus 5 equals to 0 or y square plus 5y plus 26 equals to 0. So this hand gives us y equals to 5, and here if we compare this as a quadratic form, so y can be written as minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and here a b c respectively is here, like we write here a equals to 1, b equals to 5 and c equals to 26. Okay, so after putting the value of abc, we clearly see that minus 5 plus minus root over of 5 square minus 4 into 1 into 26 divided by 2 into 1. Clearly the discriminant will be will be negative. In the under root section we see that this is 25 minus 104 divided by 2. Here minus 5 plus minus root over of minus 79. So this therefore this cannot be taken, since discriminant is negative. Here discriminant is negative. Discriminant is this b square minus 4ac part is called discriminant. So discriminant is negative, therefore no real root exists, so this cannot be taken. Okay, here so y equals to 5 is the solution. Therefore we know y equals to 2 to the power x. So here 2 to the power x equals to 5. From here, getting the value of x, taking log both the side. After taking log in both side, okay, that's imply we know the property of logarithm. Applying this property, the property is if log a to the power b, then this can be written as, okay, so x equals to log 5 divided by log 2. That imply x equals to log 5 base 2, since we know the form log a base c divided by log b base c can be written as log a base b. So therefore this is our final answer, log 5 to the base 2. Okay, clear?